Recently, the keto diet has become very popular due to its health benefits such as weight loss and disease prevention. Custom Keto Diet trademark sign refers to an excellent low-carb, high-fat, medium-protein diet specifically designed to help lose weight. This weight loss plan can not only help you lose weight but also get your life back on track. According to the plan's author, the Custom Keto Diet trademark sign plan will help you skip the frustrations associated with dieting and keep you responsible for your health, body shape, weight, and shape. The following is a review of our comprehensive Custom Keto Diet trademark sign. What is Custom Keto Diet trademark sign? Custom Keto Diet trademark sign is often defined as one of the best alternatives to traditional food. The Custom Keto Diet trademark sign keeps carbohydrate levels low, but instead of increasing protein quality, it increases fat. In perfect ketone food, the fat content is 75%, the protein content is 20%, and the carbohydrate content is only 5%. Don't give up because of high fat content, because eating fat is still healthy. It is common for anyone who wants to achieve perfect weight loss, fitness, and health goals. Using this diet system, you will get a personalized 8-week diet plan specifically for your body system. You will lose weight while enjoying delicious keto foods. Similarly, there is no need to calculate calories. How does Custom Keto Diet trademark sign work? The Custom Keto Diet trademark sign is designed to help your body use fatty acids and keto as fuel sources instead of glucose. Ingesting too much carbohydrate can make it difficult to lose weight, even if you insist on eating fewer calories than your body needs. The reason is that carbohydrates stimulate growth secretion, and growth secretion plays a vital role in weight loss. Once the amount of secretion in your body increases, it will prevent fat from being released from the cells. This simply means that your body cannot burn excess fat. The beauty of this dieting method is that no matter how bad you think you are, you can have the charming and good figure you dream of, and you don't need to exercise hard to starve yourself. It works like this. After entering the product page, you need to check the Yes dialog box to confirm that you want a custom keto diet plan for 8 weeks. Next, you must choose your gender. After that, you will be prompted to choose the type of activity to perform. Next is a section in which you choose the type of meat you want to eat in your 8-week diet, and then you choose your vegetables. Then you will be prompted to enter data such as height, weight, and age. These processes are very simple and can be completed in a few minutes. Once you have completed the information, it will generate a customized diet plan based on your weight, height, and age. The best thing about the Custom Keto Diet trademark sign program is that it works in a very direct way. In the beginning, there is a simple questionnaire for you to complete. Here, you fill in information about yourself, habits, lifestyle, and goals. Once you do this, you have an 8-week plan based on the information you provide. Before you buy this program, you naturally want to know exactly what it contains. Here is what you will get after you place your order: detailed recipe. This app provides detailed recipes, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare food. The method of making food is very simple, anyone can do it, even without any previous experience. Detailed recipe. The plan includes a downloadable shopping list for the entire diet. This list contains all the ingredients you need in the next 7 days, so you don't have to waste time finding the right food. The course also broadly covers the following topics: everything you need to know about Custom Keto Diet trademark sign. What is a Custom Keto Diet? Benefits of this diet. Custom Keto Diet and blood pressure. What food will you eat? There are other topics. Pros. The Custom Keto Diet trademark sign is created based on the expertise of chefs, personal trainers, and certified dietitians. The diet is made up of the macronutrition and calorie content of the meal specifically for your goals and situation. This plan contains a variety of foods to ensure you get all the nutrients your body needs. It provides customization options for each meal to suit your taste buds. Cons. It's a web-based program, so you can't buy it from traditional bookstores. Custom Keto Diet trademark sign. You will never lose. You will either be excited about the package or you will get a refund. However, every time you stand in front of the mirror, you will see a noticeable change. Your arms, abdomen, and hips will also change significantly. It contains customized meals that suit your body, taste, age, and situation. Custom Keto Diet trademark sign provides a 60-day money-back guarantee for customer satisfaction. So don't miss this opportunity. Grab it before the quote ends.